Good morning, guys. I'm cooking egg roll. Egg roll. Look, this is the egg omelette, but in oven. I'm cooking egg roll with toppings, spinach, and then mozzarella cheese. That's it. So easy. This is for dinner. And the spinach I just sauteed with olive oil, 2 garlic, half onions. Ganyan lang with salt. Tapos ito with salt din and pepper bago in oven. Yun. Tapos tatanggalin dyan. Ilagay dito. Ilagay dyan. And then, let's take out the, oh, it's hot. Tanggalin yung tubig niya. Pag takes out the water. Kinukular. Masyama. Ini-strainer aber. Ayan, oh, kita mo. I will, you know guys, nag-restaurante ako. The foods that makes the by hand, it's delicious. Pero pag mainit, you have to use a spoon. Kasi mainit pa siya. Just para take out the water. Well, look, see? My water. All the vitamin goes out. What can we do? We have to take it out. Yan. Ang hirap magluto ng isang kamay lang. Para lang may mai-vlog si Mama, si Ate Malu. Okay.